2023 trade alerts. We had a really good month. At one point, we were outperforming the market by about 8% because the S&P was down around 5%, and then we were up 3% on the month. And then over the last few trading days in August, the market was very strong and it recovered a lot of its losses from earlier in the month. But even so, we still beat the market by about 3 or 4% this month. You can take the 7-day trial. It's only $19 at beststockstrategy.com/memberships. There you can enroll in either the large account option trade alerts or the small account option trade alerts. And if for whatever reason it doesn't exceed your expectations, then you can easily cancel. August 1st, S&P down around 11, VIX up 3%. Closing trade for SCHD, close out half of the puts. I'll let the other 4 expire. The original is below. You can see that we rolled it. Here's a 1 DTE trade, picked up $75. It probably wasn't even worth it. S&P down 12, VIX up 2.2%. August 2nd, S&P down 40, new opening trade in TLT, B+ grade. VIX is up 18%, yet our P&L has barely moved. Proactive hedging is very important. I did make a mistake though. I was thinking about rolling out the RTX position at 83, but I didn't do it. Perhaps the 85 will still be okay, but at this moment I should have extended it out to September 8th and reduced the strike to 83. The reason I didn't do that was that in general I don't want to hold on to challenge positions for a much longer time period. We'll see what happens with that position as it's still out of the money, but I just wanted to share my thoughts. SPX, we picked up $220. S&P down 63, VIX up 15%, VVIX up around 10%. Our portfolio barely moved today due to our hedges. August 3rd, S&P down another 25, VIX up over 6%. New opening trade on Disney, B+ grade. Small adjustment, rolled out the 94 to 92. Financed it by selling some calls. New opening trade, picked up $550. S&P down 11. Adjusted TLT. S&P up around 27. VIX down 7% and VVIX down 5%. Amazon up 10%. We have 22 calls on DG expiring today. Turnaround day. S&P is now down 13. New opening trade, picked up $375. S&P down 23. VIX up 8% and VVIX up 6%. We had the 22 DG calls expire today. And we picked up $550 of profit from the SPX strangle. August 7th, solid opening, S&P up close to 30. We have more DG calls expiring this Friday. RTX, new opening trade, picked up $125. Last Friday's strangle expired for a $375 profit. S&P up 40, VIX down almost 8%, and VVIX down over 6.5%. August 8th, RTX, TLT, 2 small adjustments. Here I rolled the August 18th expiration with the 85 strike to the 83 with an expiration of September 8th. I financed that by selling some puts and also selling some calls. Here for TLT, I closed out the 101 calls. S&P down around 40, VIX up 9%. Let's see how the market is trading later today. Here you can see this is why we hedge. I'm up $1,500. Our hedges from earlier this year are doing well. The goal is to be profitable in all market environments. Yes, we lose out on a few percentage upside during a raging bull market, but during a bear market, we will significantly outperform. Picked up $75. S&P down 19. VIX up 1.4% and VVIX up 2%. August 9th, S&P down 4. Closed out Disney. Closing on top, original on the bottom. Picked up almost $600 for SPX. S&P down around 31. VIX down slightly and VVIX up 2.6%. August 10th, S&P up 40. VIX down 7.5%. Picked up $350 for the SPX Strangle. We profited $575 from yesterday's Strangle. S&P up 1. August 11th, S&P down 15, VIX up over 1.7%. New opening trade in TLT. Picked up $200 a premium for the SPX, 1 DTE. S&P down around 5, VIX down 6.4%. VVIX down 3%, NVIDIA down 3.6%. We're trading at a new year-to-date high. August 14th, solid opening, trading at a new year-to-date high. It's important to hedge during periods of euphoria. We're up over $6,000 today. The importance of hedging as volatility increases, we should be able to dramatically outperform. New opening trade on Goldman Sachs, B+ grade. SPX Strangle, only picked up $100 there. S&P up 25, VIX about even, NVIDIA up 7%. August 15th, new opening trade in O. We'll take ownership if it falls below 40. S&P down 29, picked up $220. S&P down 52, VIX up 11%, VVIX up 8.3%. August 16th, S&P is up slightly, picked up $300 a premium. They're up $8,000. S&P down 33, VIX up around 2%, and VVIX up 1.2%. August 17th, solid opening. New opening trade in TLT, picked up around $164. The market is very weak, selling off into the close. Picked up around $600 a premium. S&P down 34, VIX up 6.6%, and VVIX up 2.1%. August 18th, S&P down around 15, VIX up around 3%. BX, closing trade, just filled. Original on the bottom. New opening trade in BLK, B+ grade. Then I give my thoughts regarding which leg to purchase in order to turn that naked option into a spread. Also, the SPX Strangle will expire for a $600 profit. Picked up an additional $375 of credit. S&P about even. August 21st, rolled TLT and reduced the strike by $1. S&P is up 22. New opening trade. Picked up around $140. S&P up 30. August 22nd, solid opening, 2 out of 3 filled for LMT. The original is right there where we sold it for 35, and then we bought it back for 5 cents. We have 15x of the DG puts expiring this Friday. DG has been our only losing trade this year. New opening trade in SCHW, B plus grade. New opening trade in Disney. Picked up close to $400 of credit. Picked up $150 of credit for the SPX Strangle. S&P down 12, VIX down 1%, and VVIX down 2.8%. August 23rd, new opening trade in Nike, picked up $68. Actually, sorry, that was in the small account alerts, not the large account, but if you want to make it in the large account, it's fine. Picked up $400 of credit for the SPX Strangle. NVIDIA reports after the market closes, S&P up 48, VIX down 5.8%, and VVIX down 3.9%. August 24th, closing trade in the top for Microsoft. The original is on the bottom. Our DG puts expire tomorrow. Market is down around 40. VIX up 5%. The market has had a very strong week. Let's see how it closes. Picked up almost $600 of credit for SPX. It's good that we rolled in DG by a month. The price action seems extremely weak. We have $8.30 of cushion for tomorrow, so we should be fine on those 15x 145 puts. S&P down around 60, VIX up 7.6%, and VVIX up 3.6%. August 25th, solid opening, S&P up around 20. Market is now down this week. Volatility isn't up much. I remember this day where the market opened strong and then it was down intraday and then it closed very strong. SPX picked up around $200. S&P up 29, VIX down almost 9%, and VVIX down 8.5%. NVIDIA down 2.4%. Very solid day for the market. The S&P was down 20, but it closed up 30. And then let's see if it can build momentum next week. It should, as usually the last week of August isn't very volatile, although I believe back in 2015, August 21st and 24th, there was a flash crash, but in general, August tends to not have a lot of volatility. Then this past week, we bought back RTX, closing trade on the top, original on the bottom, where we sold it for 40 cents and bought it back for 1 cent. New opening trade in GLD for a Strangle, B plus grade. Then I discussed the spread leg, SCHD, new opening trade. IWM, new opening trade as well. For SCHD, I want to get a sign so there's no spread leg. Closing trade on LMT, original is below. SPX Strangle, picked up only $100, S&P up 27, VIX down 3.8%, and VVIX down 2.5%. We're trading at a new year-to-date high. Tuesday, new opening trade on SCHW. We picked up $242, no spread because I want to own it. New opening trade in VIX, where we sold the $14 puts, picked up $123. Then we bought a VIX call as a hedge. Closing trade for Goldman Sachs. We bought it back for $20 and we sold it for $53. Here for the SPX Strangle, we picked up around $180. S&P up 64. Yeah, I remember this. The 4505 call almost got challenged. In fact, the market actually hit 4,500 before it closed, I believe, at around 4493 So pull back slightly heading into the close, but that was definitely close where the 4505 almost got challenged. Wednesday, S&P up around 8, picked up $200. S&P up 17. Yesterday's SPX expired for almost a $200 profit. This is the fourth consecutive up day. Yesterday, S&P up 7. Then we made a trade on SPX, picked up $160, not much movement. Also, DG reported earnings and is down a lot today. Let this be a lesson. We aggressively tried to get rid of DG. We closed out some positions for a loss, our only loss this year. And we also rolled it into August by selling calls. By getting rid of it and not hoping for a recovery, we saved a lot of stress and money. Occasionally, the actual volatility is more than the expected volatility. During periods like that, especially with individual stocks like DG or PayPal, it's best just to get rid of it. S&P down 7, VIX down 2.2%, VVIX up 2.8%. The market has been very strong, but it fell immediately before closing. We opened a new trade in SPX. My gut feeling is that the market will be more volatile in the latter part of the year, but we are set up very well where we can profit in any environment. Then today, September 1st, S&P up around 15, volatility is mixed. Then we made a trade where we picked up $125 for the SPX strangle. S&P up around 8, so not much movement. VIX down 3.5%, which is actually a lot for the S&P, only up $8. IWM up 1.2%. NVIDIA down 1.7%, TLT down 1.5%, and Tesla down 5%. We're trading at a new year-to-date high. The market is closed on Monday for a holiday. It'll resume normal trading on Tuesday. I'm interested to see how the market performs over the next few months. August was very weak, yet the last week of August was very strong. In any case, we've done great navigating the markets, and we'll do even better once the market pulls back. You can join the live option trade signals at beststockstrategy.com/memberships. Again, if you want to take the live option trade signals, the trial is only $19 for 7 days. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below.